And I'm going to put 1 stick of unsalted butter and in my casserole dish, and I'm going to pop it right in the oven. Okay, now we're going to get to peeling our peaches. We're going to need 4 cups of peaches. We're going to peel them, slice them up right here in our bowl. I went to the grocery store and they had fresh peaches and they were gorgeous. You could smell them. So when you can smell peaches, it's time to make a cobbler. I'm just going to slice them up. You can slice them whatever length you want. You don't want them too thin though. You don't want them to be almost dissolved in your cobbler. And since we need 4 cups, we're going to need about 6 nice sized peaches. And they are so juicy. Oh my goodness. If there's any brown spots or anything, just make sure you cut them out. But I did try to pick out some really good peaches. They were soft and just smelled to high heaven. They smelled so good. Oh, these peaches. I just, look at that. I just want to eat it. Okay, I think that is what we have. I'm going to wash up my hands. Okay, this crust is so easy, guys. Super easy. We need 1 cup of self-rising flour. Just 1 cup. 1 cup of self-rising flour. 1 cup of granulated sugar. We just throw it right on in. And 1 cup of milk. 1 cup of milk. Okay, we're just going to whisk it around. This is it. Okay, now we're going to get out our casserole dish with our butter. And that butter is, oh, smells really good. Now we're just going to pour in our ingredients right on top of that cooking butter, that hot butter. Now we're just going to pour in our 4 cups of peaches. We're just going to put it right in. We're not going to stir it. We're not going to do anything. We're just going to put these peaches right on it. That's it. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon right over the top. And your house is fixing to smell super good. And remember, your casserole dish is hot, so make sure you use your gloves. Okay, we're going to bake at 350 degrees for about 45 to 50 minutes. This is our peach cobbler. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I cannot wait to give it a try.